Okay, we're going to do PowerPoint Chapter 1 project. And first of all, we'll need to go to Google Classroom under the project. And you may or may not have the instructions with you right now until you're able to get the learning packet. You can use these instructions in Word right here or print them out if you have a printer. Or by the time you get this, probably I'll have an instruction packet available at school because we're kind of shifting from Word to PowerPoint. You'll need to download this file here, this image file. And again, to do that, click on the image. It pops this up. Go to More Actions, open a new window, and then up here in the upper right-hand corner, hit Download. And that'll go to your Downloads folder on your computer. Okay, so that's step one. Get that done in Google Classroom. Then over to SAM, activity list. I'm going to go to SC project, alphabetized after the practice. SC project PowerPoint Chapter 1, Lab 1. Again, this will be largely a review of stuff that we've covered in Word. And in order to get credit for this, you have to get 90% in SAM. And SAM will grade it for you. So I'm going to hit Start. There's the instructions file, which I just showed you where that was also in Google Classroom. There's that support file that we just downloaded that we'll need to drop into one of our slides. And here is my start file for Chapter 1, and I click on that. Bottom left-hand corner, it downloads. I'm going to click down there, bottom left-hand corner. And click on Enable Editing. Now, if you remember, we need to do two things every time we download a project. We need to go to File, Save As, Browse. So two things. Save it to your Documents folder, and this will be really helpful when you get to school. Be able to save it to your Documents folder here at school. Save it to your Documents folder. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2, put an _2 on the end. Again, you don't have to have PPTX on the end. If it's a PowerPoint file, PowerPoint will automatically recognize the file type you're using. Hit Save. Now I'm ready to work on the file. Now I have my instruction file here on the right. You'll have that Word file that I just showed you, the step-by-step. It's called Natural Care's Nutrition Products. Module 1, SAM Project 1B. Okay, so here we go with our project. Number 1, it says on slide 1, that's currently what I'm on, resize the picture. This would be the picture right here. Resize the picture so it is 13.4 inches wide. I'm going to go up to Picture Tools Format tab. Over here for width, on the extreme far right corner, say 13.4, enter, and it fills my page very conveniently from left to right on page 1. Slide 2. Bold the words junk food and great food to draw attention to them. I'm assuming we're talking about edit the bulleted list as follows. So I'm going to come up here, triple click on junk food. I can bold that either with Control B or bold there, and great food, same thing, triple click and bold. All right. Change the font size of those words to 36 points. So again, I'm going to triple click. And here's something I can do also called non-adjacent text. So I selected that, I triple clicked. If I hold my Control key down and triple click on great food, see how those are both grayed out. I've selected two different types of text. Holding my Control key down, I select text that's not next to each other. It's not adjacent. It's not next to each other. I can either come up here to my font group and do grow font or increase font size to 36 or change it there in my font size area. Delete the unnecessary text found within. Found within, select that and delete. And maybe hit enter. There we go. All right. Now I see I've got a misspelled word. It's probably going to ask me later about that. On to number 3, with slide 2 still displaying, enter the text, ask the children to call out their favorite foods into the notes pane. Now, the notes pane is kind of hiding way down here at the bottom. And if I go down, see my little white arrow down there? I can left click and hold and drag that up so I can see my notes pane better. And this is one thing that if you've never used notes pane before with your presentations, boy, are you missing out. Ask the children to call out their favorite foods, period. Make sure it's exactly that in the notes pane. Ask the children to call out their favorite foods. On slide 3, I'm on number 4 on the instructions. Underline the text, eat well and be well, triple click. Now again, I can either click, I've got my mini toolbar which popped up. I can either click on U for underline or shortcut, Control U, okay. On to number 5, insert a new slide 4. Let me click off somewhere here. Insert a new slide 4. Insert, okay, new slide. And this is going to be title and caption. That's down here, title and caption. That's going to be my new slide 4. And it drops in here, title and caption. It says enter great nutrition as the title. So I'm going to click in that. Content placeholder is what we call that. Content placeholder. It's waiting for me to put something in there. Great nutrition. Add text. Improves quality. And watch your capitalization on this as well and your spelling. Italicize the words improves quality of life. Select that. And again, with my mini toolbar here, I can select italic. And notice the tooltip says Control I. Control I will italicize that. I'm on to the next page of my instructions. On slide 5, why great food? Modify the bulleted list as necessary. Decrease the indent of great foods provides energy. So I'm going to click right in here where it says great foods provides energy. I'm going to promote or move that. I'm going to go to my home tab here. I want to move that to the left or decrease. Right now the indent is over. You can see that where my insertion point is. If I click on decrease list level, I'm going to move that over to the left. Increase the indent of the bullet that begins great food provides the nutrients down here. I'm going to go over here to increase list level or increase the indent, move it over so it goes to the second level of bullets. Change the font size of great food equals great health. Triple click. Up here I can say font size 32, or I could also click on this increase font size area. Select all the text in the placeholder. Okay, select all the text. I'm just going to drag through that. Okay. Change the font color up here to teal, accent 2, darker 25. Here's my tooltip. See that? Teal accent 2, darker 25. Change all the text there. All right. The color displays as orange. Okay, why is that? Why are they saying that? I don't know why they say it's before it was green, now it's orange. I don't know. Text displays as orange. I have no idea why they say that. I guess we'll figure that out later. We didn't change our theme or our theme colors here. So we'll just have to see about that. Number 7, we're on to slide 6. What is great food? Slide 6, what is great food? Change the slide layout to 2 content. So to change the layout, I'm going to come up here to my home tab, layout. It says we're changing that to 2 content. And that is 2 content right here. To adjust the readability of the slide, Guess that changed a little bit. Okay. On to number 8, which is related to slide 7. Change the visual elements in the slide as follows. Add bullets to the paragraph in the left content placeholder. That's over here. The left content placeholder. I'm going to select all that text. Again, this is number 8 on the handout. And just click on bullets. Use the right content placeholder to insert the file. Here comes that food file that we downloaded to our downloads area from Google Classroom. So my content placeholder gives me a bunch of choices here. I'm going to select pictures. Okay. I'm going to go out to downloads, where I downloaded that file. Okay. And this is saying support file staff. Hold on a second here. That isn't what I was expecting. Okay. Instructions. I'm going to have to go get this somewhere else. I'm going to have this in the shared folder. I might have the wrong file in there that I downloaded from Google Classroom. I'm going to go into the College Place shared folder. This says staff too. Why is that? I don't know. I'll probably end up with the wrong file there. In fact, I'm going to stop this video just in case I messed up here. I'll continue this in a bit. Probably part 2. Okay.